Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your assets in real estate with Keller Williams detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific assets you want to recover in real estate. Gather all relevant documents related to these assets, such as purchase agreements, deeds, and property records. Research your local real estate market to understand current trends in property values. Consult with a real estate agent at Keller Williams who specializes in asset recovery. Schedule an initial consultation to discuss your goals and the specific assets you need to recover. Provide the agent with all the necessary documentation for a comprehensive analysis. Allow the agent to conduct a comparative market analysis to determine the best pricing strategy. Discuss potential strategies for selling or reclaiming your assets, including renovations or staging. Develop a tailored marketing plan that highlights the unique features of your properties. Consider listing your properties on the Keller Williams network for increased visibility. Prepare your properties for showings by ensuring they are clean and well maintained. Utilize Keller Williams resources for professional photography and virtual tours to attract buyers. Attend open houses and actively engage with potential buyers to answer questions. Monitor feedback from showings and adjust marketing strategies accordingly. Stay in constant communication with your Keller Williams agent for updates and advice. Evaluate any offers you receive, focusing on the terms that align with your recovery goals. Negotiate with potential buyers, leveraging your agent's expertise to maximize offers. Finalize the sale process by following through with needed paperwork and legal requirements. Once the sale is complete, consider reinvesting your recovered assets into new opportunities or properties. Reflect on your recovery process and gather insights for future real estate ventures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.